Hydraulic press guards are essential for keeping your employees safe and preventing injuries caused by flying debris. It's the responsibility of the employer to provide point-of-operation safeguarding, and even most new machines don't come with one. We are trusted by hundreds of customers from a variety of industries every year who rely on us to help them protect their employees from workplace hazards and avoid OSHA fines. From aerospace to oil and gas, automotive to defense, any industry needs to look out for their workforce. Our hydraulic press guards are custom-made in the dimensions you require and come in 2 different styles, slide up or hinge open. They are designed for an industrial environment, being user-friendly and adjustable enough to allow use at the point of operation. Check out what some of our customers are saying. We ship to Canada and worldwide, so no matter where your business is, you can rest assured that your workplace is safe. Trust the best hydraulic press guards in the business. Visit our website at atssafety.com or give us a call at 828-631-9609 to place your order today.